Hey everybody, it's welcome to the Train Expert channel on this Monday. November 21st, 4 days away from Thanksgiving 2022. We have a Western New York grain hopper train, maybe a freight, we'll see. Let's check it out. Nope, this is engine numbers 430 and 432. They must have had an engine. I thought there was going to be an engine change yesterday, according to the RC's Rail Fanning Productions last show. And then Jolene told us early this year, right here, one of her neighbors works for Western New York, and Titus in Meadville. But here comes the train. Let's check it out. Got my second ever Canadian Pacific hoppers on my channel, because the first I got it was getting some stoppage after stoppage here. So actually I'm going to turn the cameras towards possibly towards the rear, probably. This one has the 2 engines this time instead of the 1. Already opened the video on the way to Meadville. We did not get an OC&T train, so the Western New York's gonna take over for the Train Expert channel today. This is a Western New York grain hopper train, in case you're just joining us. We'll see, might get the half of the engine. Yep, 430 I got in time. Yep, just got the 430 at the least, but excuse me. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. Face the engines this time. Turn face here and turn face towards that hopper right there. Yep, got a Canadian hopper right there. The circle hoppers are Canadian. There's that vacuum truck right there. Turn face the engines here. Well, I'm not gonna turn face the engines. I gotta turn face the hopper. Here comes. I'm sorry. Here comes the engines on the end. Now, Western New York's used to be a two-engine freight. Usually it's two engines. I got last time here only had engine number 432 only last time here. So, all right, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train as soon as they move. Talk to you later.